everyone, this is Mayuri Deka. Today I want to talk about a very special movie for the Assamese film industry as well as our Assamese society. The name of the movie is Fireflies Junaki Porua, and it is directed and written by Prakash Deka. So last night I watched this movie, and this movie is very close to me for a certain reason, because this is the first movie in Assamese, and a full feature movie, which is based on a character of LGBTQI plus family. And the whole movie has been created keeping this LGBTQIA member as the center character. And I feel like, you know, every one of us are trying to create our own light, like how Fireflies does. And this struggle of creating our own light tells us 1,000 stories. And this is all about this movie. And the director, Prakash Deka, he has done a marvelous job keeping it so simple, so innocent, yet so strong. And the acting of the main character, firstly, Benjamin Daimarie, he has put out in a different level, and it's like it connects to me, connects to us. I'm sure, I mean, all of us from this community, even the ally people, we can feel it, the connection. And as we know, in our society, homophobia and transphobia is still very much predominant. The discriminations against community people are still here, and we are getting news about it regularly. And in this crisis, this movie is bringing a very good awareness as well a very good news. And if I have to say about the aspects of the movies, I must have to say the cinematography, which is again mind blowing. For me, I have grown up in a village for my entire childhood, and again watching this movie, it's like I revisited my village. The scenes where the cameraman took the photo angles of the fields of the, in Assamese we call bari, that's like a personal forest people used to have the other time, I mean, old days. Even now they have, although the practices are a little bit less. And the fields, the river, the small river, the big river, and there is two scenes, I think, which are created as magical as it could be. It's related to Janu Akka Jahnavi's lover, and how Jahnavi imagined herself with her lover. That scene was magical. And apart from that, the acting of each and every crew member was really touching, and I really love it. It touched my heart, my soul, and a new definition for Junaki Porua Fireflies has been re-established to me through this movie. I'm really thankful to the movie team, and this is a must-watch movie, because if we don't increase or if we don't rise our visibility now, acceptance will be very less. We know that more visibility comes or brings more acceptance. This movie is definitely doing that. So everyone, please watch it and just be happy. Just realize it, how the movie talks about different kind of societal factors, including patriarchy. And as I believe in homosexuality, or people struggle from LGBTQI plus community, it's not only about the struggle of their own identity or their own acceptance, it's also a struggle against the main cause of this society, that is patriarchy. And the director has been successful in showing various factors of the society in very subtle way. I'm again really thankful to you and your team. Thank you, and long live Fireflies Junaki Porua.